Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have a plan with me, plan with me for the week of April 8th through the 11th. I am using a kit from, I forgot the name of the planner shop, but I will link it down below. It's a Rapunzel themed kit. I did not know what to use for this week. So I just decided to use this. I had been hoarding it for like a year, maybe more. So yeah, this week I tried to use gold foiling, so I pulled in a little bit of that. And I tried to do some like this weird spread and I didn't like it, so I just left it as is and moved along. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna speed you guys through the basic, and then I'll be back for just my really fast pre-planning on this one. Thanks, bye. So on Monday, the first thing I did, I used a quarter round label and I put a script sticker that said film. Then for Monday through Wednesday, I put in the to-do list what I needed to do for work. So every day I need to do emails and quotes. So I went ahead and did that. And then on Tuesday, I know that I needed to take my daughter to an appointment, so I put that in. I put that half round box so that I can put the label on there. Then on Monday, I just finished filling out the things that I needed to do for. So yeah, moving on. I use these gold foiled stickers from Scribble Prints Co. I used the doctor one for the doctor's appointment that my daughter had. Then I didn't have much going on for the rest of the week, so I pretty much just left the remainder of Tuesday and Wednesday blank. Lies. So I actually put in the sticker for Monday that I needed to go to the bank, so I went ahead and did that. And then I put the things that I needed to for my sidebar, my blood pressure medications, dinners, and things I needed for next week. So the next thing I did, I went ahead and put the weekend banner down at the bottom of the washi. And then I moved on to putting things down that I needed to do for the remainder of the week. Friday I have payroll and as per usual every day, emails and quotes. Then I went back to Wednesday and I added 2 more script stickers that said edit and upload because I wanted to do that for that week, but I don't think I did that. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this voiceover, so the rest of this is just going to be to music because I'm at work and they decided to start making noise. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!